Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to make Kalakand, which is one of the most relished traditional sweet and it's very easy to prepare at home. This sweet is moist, juicy, tastes delicious and it has delicate grainy texture. Also it's loaded with full of dry fruits and flavored with cardamom. And if you prepare this recipe in a traditional way by reducing the milk, then it requires some time and patience, but the end result is worth it. So let's check out the ingredients for this recipe. These are the ingredients for making Kalakand. Here we are taking some chopped cashews, some sliced almonds, some cardamom. We are taking 100 gram of sugar, 1 liter of whole milk and approx 200 grams of grated paneer. Let's start the preparation. So in a pan we'll add the milk. And first we need to boil the milk. As you can see, दूध में उबाल आ गया है. Now we'll boil it further to reduce the quantity to 1/3. And you can keep the flame on low and just stir in between जिससे कि नीचे ना लगे. Just stir it in between and scrape the sides. Now as you can see, quantity has reduced, so we will add sugar and cardamom powder. And you can turn the flame to high and stir it continuously until the sugar gets dissolved properly. Sugar has dissolved, so now we'll add the grated paneer. And remember to turn the flame to low, otherwise दूध फट भी सकता है. Stir it continuously and we will be boiling it for 4 to 5 minutes. And you can keep the flame to low medium. So here the mixture is quite liquidy, so we will boil it further 3 to 4 minutes and keep stirring. Now as you can see, it has very low moisture left and we don't want to make it too dry, so we will leave it like that and we will transfer it into the container. So here as you can see, I have already greased the container with ghee and now I'll transfer the mixture into this container. Transfer it into the container. and you can just settle it and make it flat from the top. And now you can garnish it with the cashews. And almonds. And if you want, you can add more cardamom powder on the top also, although we have added some cardamom powder initially at the time of boiling. So here our rich and creamy delicious Kalakand is ready now, and it's one of the traditional Indian dessert that you can prepare during the festival season. I hope you guys will like it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more recipes and let us know your views in the comment section.